Suchst du ein Mädchen hell und klar, komm nach Wettbergen, wir sind für dich da. Freundlich, sanft und immer bereit, dein Lächeln strahlt nach kurzer Zeit. Keine Angst, wir sind hier, jeder Besuch ganz ohne Stress und Deal. Ob Politur oder Kontrolle klein, mit uns wird alles ganz, ganz fein. Wettbergen, wir machen dich froh. Wettbergen, Zähne strahlen so. Lächeln, das glänzt für dich und mich. Zahnarztpraxis. Wettbergen, denn fühl dich wohl bei uns.
Okay, this vlog might not make sense, but I'm going to make it make sense. Okay, hello beautiful people. Oh my gosh, I love what you're wearing. You have beautiful eyes. Yes, I'm talking to you. Welcome to this video. So what are we doing? So in this vlog, you'll basically be hanging out with me for the whole of December. I'm going to be your new bestie for the rest of the December month. Basically, I'm going to be hanging out with you, or you're going to be hanging out with me. I know I'm going to be cooking because I realized that you guys liked the last cooking video that I did, which is this one. Oh my gosh, I'm matching my suitcase. Okay, the makeup looks weird. I know, I've been filming content today. So I just finished filming one of the videos and now I'm going to be filming another video. I'll be showing you the behind the scenes, of course, because you're like my besties and I love you guys. I really do. Not just saying it for the sake of saying it, I do. Plus, cooking is something that I've really been into since I was like 10 or something, I don't know. Yeah, it's very therapeutic and I have some recipes that I want to just show you guys. I filmed one cooking video yesterday that I'll be posting, I think, later on. And I still have to edit. I have so much editing to do. Like, procrastination? Didn't we just speak about this in the last video? I thought I was going to fix this, but get your life together, girl. I need to get my life together. So yeah, basically I'm going to be showing you my batch filming. After this, I'll be good for like a month. First of all, like, the weather is just so bad. It's just raining. Like, what is going on? Like, pick a side. Be sunny. It's December. Why aren't we? For some of you that don't know, I'm an introvert. I don't really like to go outside. I really don't. I'm not a fan. I don't go outside for the sake of going outside, if you get what I mean. Like, if I were to choose, like, go outside or go do this, I'd stay indoors and watch a film YouTube video. I film like every Monday and it really helps me to stay ahead of the game. So I know 2025 I'm going to have like videos after videos and videos after videos for you guys. I haven't really done like a vlog where I'm talking directly to you guys, you know, like really being vulnerable. Is this considered vulnerable? I guess so, because we're just being more intimate with you guys. Was that a right word to use? Just being more there with you guys. I just wanted to do something different because, you know, we don't stick to the same videos on this YouTube channel. I like to change it up because I really do get bored doing the same thing over and over. And next thing, I'm going to be filming another video which is all about corporate outfits and pretty much styling myself as a corporate woman. I wish. I think I've been talking too much, so sorry. Bye. So I'm a little bit annoyed. I had planned to do an activity later on today, But now, all of a sudden, it's raining. Like really raining, like thunder, lightning, and everything out of nowhere. I was literally tiki talking like an hour ago, and then it just started. Yeah. The summer is not summering right now. I checked the weather, and the weather said that for the rest of the week it was going to be sunny. I'm going back and checking the weather, and now it's showing me rain and thunderstorms for the whole week. Like, what? What? Seriously? Doubting if I should carry on with this vlog, but you know what? No. Everything is figure outable. I'm going to make something possible, and when I'm in space or wherever, I'm going to figure something out, and we're gonna have fun on this vlog. Believe that next month is going to be next year.